busy.
All right, Chris and Cameron are fighting now, and we are about to start putting the side pipe, side skirts, SVO side skirts. About to put those on the car. And it's looking pretty good though. Right now, Chris is trying to get clips out of the side so we can get the new side skirts mounted up. These things are kind of in the way. At least those front ones are. So there's one of them.
I think I can bust one right there.
Okay. So on these side skirts, where they had the original hole to go on these side skirts, had completely broke out when I got them.
I can't do it with the drill though.
Can't do it with the drill?
I gotta take this wheel off.
So we had to add some new holes and try not to use the original mounts. So should be fine though. We used some self-tapping screws and made it work. We'll see. All right, Chris has done a pretty awesome job. I gave plenty of moral support, I promise. There we go, that looks pretty good. Obviously you can see the factory spot that the hole was supposed to be. Nowhere near close, but this will work. One day I'll probably have to have these repainted again anyways, possibly soon, because there's a little crack in it now where we had to fit everything up. So if that happens, then I'll probably add some fiberglass there to the top edge on both sides and maybe actually use the factory holes. But for now, they look good and they'll suffice for what we got planned next.
Okay guys, now we're gonna jump a little further. About 3.
Straight out. Straight out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Man, I love these side skirts. So, about to start installing the rear seat. See if I can get the frame back in and see if we can throw these seats in there. May have to figure out some bolts. Okay, the bottom cushion is in place now. And the frame here that goes around the back opening is now bolted down in place. I've just got to put the double humps back at the top and then put the backs of the seats in. Should be good. All right, I got the bottom seat in, the rack in the back in, got one of the back seats in, and thanks to Georgia weather, it started pouring on me. So hopefully the rain will stop, get the other seat in, and then be done. All right, the rear seat is in, and it looks really good. And it's still raining out here, but the rear seat does look really good. All right, on my way home, and the rear seat looks pretty dang good. It's nice to have a rear seat in here. So I'm pretty sure that I do this every time I drive this car. get it in here, wipe it down, get all the rain off of it because it seems to rain every single day. So in here, I'll wipe it off as quick as I can. So now, brand new side pipes just painted, and in their first rainstorm on the first day. I would have rather them go through a little bit of their life before getting rained on, but oh well, got them all dried up. Woo!